What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about involuntary matrix and show you how to figure out if it's a matrix involuntary. If a square matrix A is called involuntary matrix if A squared equals to I. And I is identity matrix or unit matrix. Let's see an example. A is -5, 8, 0, -3, 5, 0, -1, 2, -1. We want to find out if this matrix is an involuntary matrix. So we need to find out A squared. So, when you multiply it, -5 times -5, 8 times -4, -3, 0 times -1. So that's going to be 25 minus 24. Next one, -5 times 8, 8 times 5, 0 times 2. That's going to be 40 minus 40, 0. -5 times 0, 8 times 0, 0 times -1. That's 0 as well. -3 times -5, 15. 5 times -3, 0 times -1. That's 0. -3 times 8, -24. 5 times 5, 25. And 0 times 2 is going to be basically 25 minus 24. Next one, -3 times 0, 5 times 0, 0 times -1. It's going to be 0. You have -1 times -5, 2 times -3, -1 times -1. That's going to be 5 minus 6 plus 1. And here you have -8 plus 10 minus 2, 0. And here you have -1 times 0, 2 times 0, -1 times -1 is going to be 1. So when you simplify it, it's going to be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. As you see here, we have unit matrix. It means that A is an involuntary matrix. Next example is saying that if this matrix is an involuntary matrix, so we need to find out A squared again. That's 4, -1, 15, and -4. We multiply it by itself. 4, -1, 15, and -4. That's supposed to be 2 by 2 as well. 4 times 4, 16. -1 times 15 is going to be -15. So it's going to be 16 minus 15, which is 1. 4 times -1 plus -1 times -4. So it's going to be 4 minus 4, 0. Next one, 15 times 4, 60. Plus -4 times 15, -60. That's going to be 0. 15 times -1, -15. -4 times -4 is going to be positive 16. So that's going to be 1. As you see here, that's the unit matrix. So it means that A is an involuntary matrix. So something very important is when you have an involuntary matrix, A squared is equal to unit matrix. It means that A times A equals to I. We know for all square matrix, A times inverse of the matrix is going to be a unit matrix. So we can say that all involuntary matrices are their own matrix inverse, which means that A equals to inverse of A when we are dealing with an involuntary matrix. So that's how you identify if you are dealing with an involuntary matrix or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.